my head is awesome. I'm Mick.
I'm dead.
Today we're making a Kiwi favourite, Pavlova.
It's a fantastic Kiwi dessert. Recipe stolen from us by those dirty Aussies. Curse them Aussies!
Except Hugh Jackman.
All
hail.
No! Bloody screw Hugh, he hasn't replied to those thousands of tweets we sent him.
That's so true!
What about that Hemsworth boy?
Chris Hemsworth?
Chris Hemsworth.
All hail Hemsworth. So I got Grandma's recipe book.
Yum.
And I found the page that said Pavlova. There were several other pages that said Pavlova.
Because Grandma was a little bit crazy in the last few days, so we're not too sure.
The best recipes are tinged with Alzheimer's.
That's right.
So this one says Pavlova and it's got a little picture of a dog, so I figured that's the way to go. The thing with Pavlova is it's a very temperamental dessert, so you got to do things like use old eggs so that it will hold up, and then when you put it in the oven you can't open the door for ages because otherwise it'll deflate like a souffle.
Or it'll explode.
Or it'll explode. We've never made one before, so we're going to wing it. So this recipe says 2 eggs, but we're trying to make something about the size of a cake, so I think we might need to amp that up a little bit.
Why don't we just double it all and add extra sugar?
Alright.
3 kilos of caster sugar. She really was crazy. First we need 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
No we don't, we need 4
We need 4
eggs.
eggs.
Well let me get some for you, hang on. It's a little bit fresh maybe.
Next up we need caster sugar.
Yes.
Lots of caster sugar. I'll grab it, shall I?
Oh yeah. Okay.
What's the difference between regular sugar and caster sugar?
Let us find out.
Oh, it's real fine actually.
Salt.
Oh my god, it is real fine. Oh, it's very sweet too.
It's not bad.
I just really no, Papa, no. Think of your heart. All right, we got our sugar.
And I'm feeling good now. Right.
No! Next thing we need is vanilla.
Oh, I'm crashing.
Oh.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. All right, it's in here.
Okay. Vanilla.
Vanilla essence, natural.
Natural.
Oh no!
Actually, I kind of like that.
Oh, it was awful.
Not the worst. We're not tasting the eggs.
Oh, well, you know what's next? Vinegar.
Sweet. Or not sweet. You found it.
Oh.
That's not great, but no, that's not bad.
It's actually better than the vanilla.
Tastes like burning.
Tastes like salt and vinegar chips.
Well, tell me what the difference is.
Alright. Oh.
God damn, that's much nicer.
Yeah, I'm not getting them there.
Now I'm gonna do it.
The next thing is corn flour. Alright, you're just gonna be helpful. I see. That's how this is gonna go. Corn flour. Now, what's the difference between corn flour and regular flour? Oh, that was a lot. Oh, Dad.
Nothing
It
is
doesn't taste like
extra.
corn at all.
I think I need some vinegar to wash that down.
Grandma is smiling down at us from heaven, I can tell.
That wasn't as good an idea.
Did you use vinegar? What did you use vinegar?
Wash that cornmeal away, right?
Alright, cool.
Right.
The next thing is boiling water.
I'm not tasting the boiling water.
Okay. We need to boil the jug.
How much water?
4 tabs.
4 what?
Tabs. Is that tablespoons?
Tablespoons.
Am I doing it?
It is, it's bending. Why don't we carry on?
Okay, we're going to put it in the bowl
Yes.
and get the electric mixer.
Right, get the bowl.
I got it all.
Okay. Got it.
What's the point in having an assistant? No, an apple isn't what I wanted. Smells nice.
Oh.
No!
Thanks, Bear. Oh.
We're going to place all the ingredients in this bowl. I hope it's big enough. And also don't forget that we're going to double this recipe.
This is my breakfast bowl.
Well, now it's your pad bowl.
Oh.
Alright, How's the sugar? Wait, do you have a cup? Do you have a cup measure?
Yes, I have a cup. A cup or a cup measure?
Well, preferably a cup measure, but just a cup's fine. I don't think these things need particular measurements, right? They always say to just, go with your heart.
Here we go, look.
Oh, you do! Cute! Alright. So it says 1.5, so let's go with 3. How's that sound?
No, 1. No, because it might sort of
What?
1.5?
No, are we doubling this recipe?
Maybe 2.
We're doubling the recipe though, aren't we?
It's
2.5.
the age of obesity, right?
2.5. We're doing pretty good.
My heart's doing palpitations now.
We run. Yeah, it's all that vinegar. Alright.
I think that's the burning
Uh,
and the belching.
half a teaspoon of
And the
vanilla, so
farthing.
1
Oh,
teaspoon of
sorry.
vanilla, right?
Tablespoon.
No.
It's half a teaspoon.
Yeah, but we're doubling it. And
Well,
then
that
1
wasn't even a
teaspoon.
teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Wait.
Of
1
vinegar.
teaspoon.
Yeah, but 2 because we're doubling it.
Oh, we're only
Yeah.
doing 4 eggs.
Yeah, because there's 2 eggs on there. We're doubling it.
Okay, you want teaspoon?
Yes.
Big teaspoon or little teaspoon?
Regular sized teaspoon.
How
please.
many?
2. 1
I'm sorry, it was a big night last night.
on the vinegar. 2.
Sweet.
This is going to be perfect.
Beautiful.
1 teaspoon of corn flour. You got the teaspoon?
Oh. Maybe I'll dig in. Oh. I got some of it.
And 4 tablespoons of boiling water.
Okay.
Oh, I shouldn't have to hold this one.
Hold the spoon in your mouth.
Ah!
What's the point in the boiling water? Why is it not coming out? Oh.
Be the egg.
I am the egg.
Feel the egg.
I feel the egg.
Cut the egg.
I cut the egg. It worked. Here we are, freshly cut.
Alright.
Beautiful.
Alright.
Oh.
So the egg whites. Oh, what?
Good thing I didn't cut the yolk.
Oh, now I'm just holding an egg. You can do not break this yolk.
Now, I want to try something. We got Mum's, she enjoys the stories with this stuff. But
Choice of stories.
you don't mind, right? Beautiful! That was
Alright,
amazing!
3 more. Think I can do it one-handed? I've never done it before.
Why not?
Oh, did you see that?
Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out. If you've got a heart, your black heart out.
No, he's a cool guy. We like Gordon Ramsay.
Okay. Whee! I now got to get them both out.
Yeah.
That was a dumb idea, wasn't it? Oh!
Hey! Man, this is cool. Think I can do more one-handed?
Left-handed.
Oh, bro.
Oh!
There's also an eggshell in there.
Go for it. Oh, eggshell's good. It's good for calcium, right? No. Okay, hang on.
Oh, I got half it out.
Okay, all in there. Oh, I know how to get it out. Hang on.
Right. No, in here.
They used to do it. Grandma used to do it this way.
That's how we all do it.
This is a skill lost in the ages. It needs your modern contraption, plastic bottle rubbish.
Mum's bottle.
There's Mum at the window looking wondering where her drink is.
My stories are
The
on.
stories are started and I got nothing to drink.
That's gotta be it, right?
Okay, perfect. I can see a Pavlova in that already.
So in this recipe, underlined, it says we have to beat this for 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
We need a phone. Just a phone.
But where is it?
Is it in your pocket?
Okay, so what are we doing? Timer.
12 minutes, please. And it is the secret
So
of
we
this
get
recipe.
past walk, path, no, can't.
Okay.
Timer, so it'll be a clock somewhere.
Stop. Yeah.
Stop yourself.
You got the one that.
There it is, the one that says clock. Timer,
Yeah.
12 minutes.
12 minutes.
How do young people get on here? That's 12 seconds.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Hang on, change that one.
I can't make it that.
Yes, you can. Oh. Why? We just had it! Look, just don't touch, don't touch.
No, I've got
don't touch,
to.
don't touch!
I've got to. Yeah, I've already done it. Well, what music are we hearing?
The sultry sounds of my mixer.
Three, 2, 1. 12 minutes is up. Beautiful. Alright, now we've got to sit like.
I think it's meant to be smoother than that.
That is super sweet. Full of raw eggs, still might add. So we have a little oven tray, which is way too big for the oven.
What are you doing?
Just making a technical adjustment. That'll fit, right? Beautiful, like it's made for it, which it was.
Our oven is meant to be at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. What is that in Celsius?
162.5.
Okay. And then we've got to turn it down to 250 degrees Fahrenheit.
Which is 121.1.
Yes. My calculations are correct.
Get rid of that bit.
Oh.
Open your mouth.
Ow! We need a spatula.
Let me show you another use for tinfoil. Keep them quiet. Mum, see what she did? See what the colour did? You hide it. Beautiful. Alright, what's next?
We're gonna get a spatula for this.
Which is... There it is!
Alright. No, it's a bad idea.
It's a great idea. Let's balance it on 2 and the egg carton.
Perfect.
Okay, what are we
We'll
doing?
just start. Hang on, we gotta grease it! Jesus!
Jesus did it for us!
Thank you,
Hey!
Jesus! Thank you, Grease Jesus!
Right, what do you need?
We need to lightly. I don't think we use oil.
Grease in a tin.
Cover your eyes. Hang on.
Are you actually going to get some on it?
Oh my god, I want to mist it!
Go! Ah! Spray!
Good.
Done. Right, so, did any of it go on the tray or most of it on the floor and on my pants?
A little bit. And then we've got to lightly dust, so this could get a bit messy.
Lightly. Excellent.
Hang on.
Throw! Not. Oh, fairy dust.
No!
Beautiful. Are you too?
No, I'm
I
just
taught you better than
saying it.
that.
Grandma taught me how to cook, thank you.
Well, it's grandma, no, grandma's grandma.
What does she know? She's dead.
Crazy the dad.
Mental health is very important.
It is. But you can use it as an excuse for almost anything.
Let's get this bad boy out here. Right, we just pour it.
Alright. Yeah. Let me help, let me help.
Get out of it.
I think if I
Right.
got your face went straight in that would look fantastic.
Well, I do have a good face, especially for molds and stuff.
Yeah. Enough raw egg to satisfy Rocky Balboa.
That was actually funny. Now let's get this bad boy in there.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, please be careful. You gotta be so gentle with it. No, if you bang it, all of the stuff falls out.
What stuff?
The air pockets that make it a meringue.
Right, there it goes. 1 hour of cooking. Uh-oh.
Oh my god, Dad. Please be careful.
Oh,
Oh, Dad, no!
we're just gonna
Get
make
the
a
middle.
minor adjustment.
Why would you do this? Oh, it's so flat.
Beautiful.
It's so flat. I'm pretty sure it's not meant to be flat like that.
Yeah, that's good.
Does it rise?
It will be a thing of beauty when it comes out of that oven.
How much of this are we using anyway?
Yeah, throw it all in.
Alrighty.
What can go wrong, right? Whoa! Whoa!
You see my perfectly whipped cream?
The viscosity level is a little bit low, but next time we'll try again.
It's perfect.
30-second rule, right? Why don't you put on your hat? Or what's left of it?
Thank you.
That's better.
Perfect.
I have to admit I've already tried mine.
What?
It's pretty rich.
Oh yeah. This is actually really good.
No.
That's what I thought. Shh. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an awesome day.
Bye.
Bye. Love you, Grandma.